Now this is the final result. I hope you can see how beautiful and sparkly it is. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ri, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your nails with different kind of design. How to add Swarovski, stones, crystals, pearls, and different kind of things. But before we start, subscribe to my channel and like this video. So this is all what you will need. This is the nail caviar, nail gold caviar, different types. As you see, smaller and bigger is nail pusher and the classic tweezer, or any tweezer you have. This is the actual stones, different kind of gold and silver and pearls, and special glue. So first you file the nails. I use a buffing file for that to remove a first layer of nails. After I use a nail primer around my cuticle for the next layer of gel. You can apply the finishing gel to make your nails more glossy, or you can leave it without the gel to give it a matte effect. It all depends on you. I decided to remove the gel later and leave it in the matte because I like that better. You will use the pusher to apply the glue on the areas where you want to use your crystals. Then you apply your stones and crystals. I'm using my biggest stone now. You have to put it carefully and hold it a little bit, or use the lamp. I'm putting the pearls inside my crystal, as you can see. So it will give it more 3D effect. Put it in lamp. For 30 seconds is enough. Then I start applying my next area. Just the same as before. I apply the glue first, then I start applying the crystals. I'm putting my small stones now as part of my design, and I have to put it carefully to make it beautiful, just the way I want. You can choose your own design, patterns, different kind of stones to make your own design. I'm mixing my crystals with pearls and with some nail caviar, the gold one, to make it look fuller. Then you do the same to your other nails. I personally like to create different designs on each of my nails, but you can also put the same design on all of them. I just feel different designs on each nail makes it look more glamorous. Now this is the final result. I hope you can see how beautiful and sparkly it is. I decided to leave it in matte finish because the stones sparkle more that way. I would love to hear about your thoughts in the comment section, and also when you try it out, let me know the results. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I see you in the next video. Bye!